Thank you for joining us on the Murphy River Walk Trail. It's about a 3-mile trail just located on the outskirts of downtown Murphy. And Murphy, North Carolina is in the beautiful Appalachian Mountains just an hour south of the Smoky Mountain National Park. Here you'll see that the water is high. They raise it in June to help all the vacationers have a great time. The town is full of beautiful birds, beautiful scenery, and lovely people. Along the trail you'll find many geocaches, so keep an eye out. And at the end we found this wonderful spot to teach the kids how to skip rocks. We love you, Murphy. Thank you for all the joy you bring us.